Good morning, guys. So right now we are at one of our sites, and I would like to show you one concept that we have been implementing for the last 2 years. So this is the newest one out of it. So just have a look at it. So this is a completely underground RCC pipe-based sewage treatment plant of 15,000 liters capacity. So as you can see, this is the compartment one. Here the wastewater comes in. It will go through a T-type connection. There is a T-type connection. It will go to the second compartment. There is a T-type connection again. Third compartment, anaerobic filter, aeration tank, settling tank, and the filter feed tank. This is a completely RCC pipe-based tank. Inside, we'll be having a PCC and waterproofing inside. Outside, it's not required. So the entire installation took around 7 days, including the installation of the pipes. And the costing, it went down from, I can say, around 7 to 7.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. So this is the amount of costing reduction which can happen if we are doing it in an RCC pipe based structure. Now if you come to the positives out of it, the main positives are that this entire system is going to be completely underground, completely by gravity. So if you can just see once again, the entire wastewater is going to come from this side. It's going to enter here. The fecal sludge separation happens here and here. The third compartment is kind of a buffer. So entire thing is going to go by gravity, and the final wastewater, in case there is a failure of your filter feed pumps, it will go directly outside to the drain line gutter. So even if there are failures, these failures can be avoided using such kind of things. The main advantage of these kinds of structures, basically what I am trying to say is that if you are going to have a sewage treatment plant, always have it at a level where your drain line is lower than your sewage treatment plant's collection tank, so that even if the lifting switches off, it always makes sense to have the flow go by gravity to this you can say drain line, worst case scenario. So that makes sense. If you have 2 basements or 3 basements, normally you are taking it the sewage treatment plant on the lowermost level, wherein if there is a failure, it's going to start puddling. So this can be avoided through these kinds of things. So contact us for such innovative designs, and we can have a look at it. Thank you.